Hello everyone, this is Tasir Ahmed Mullah. Welcome to my today's video. Today I am planning to discuss one great issue in Galaxy S6 tab. There is an issue in Galaxy S6. I think everyone noticed it right now. In Galaxy S6 they give a very beautiful Spen, everyone. So in Galaxy S6 there is a very bad smell comes from Spen. It's like a burning plastic. I found the problem and I searched in the Google. I didn't find any solution. So after that I researched it. Why is this smell come from? Then I get one solution, like there is no gap between tab and their book cover. So for that, when you constantly charge it, they don't have a space for the ear. So that's why there is a smell here. So after that, for the solution, I glue it for making a gap between tab and the book cover. So after that I test it and see there is no smell still there. So this is the issues and solve that I have. Thank you very much for watching my video. I think you enjoy it and solve your problem as well. Thank you.